They told us money doesn't grow on trees. But what if that's exactly what the rich figured out, and no one bothered to pass the secret down? From the moment we hit 18, we're handed a script. Go to college, get a job, buy a house, work for 40 years, retire. Then die? Let's be real. Do you really think that's how people make 6 figures a month? Here's the truth. The system wants you working for money your whole life, but the wealthy, they figured out how to make money work for them while they sleep. It's called passive income, and today I'll show you 7 ways to build it, even if you're starting from scratch. Section 1. The lie they sell you. School didn't teach us how to build wealth. It taught us how to obey. Raise your hand. Sit still. Memorize. Repeat. They never showed us how to earn without trading time. They taught us how to survive, not thrive. And by the time most people realize it, it's already too late. But if you're watching this now, you're early, and you still have time to flip the script. Section 2. What passive income actually is. Let's get one thing straight. Selling a stock isn't passive income. That's just flipping. Real passive income is cash that flows into your account without you constantly working for it. Think rent, royalties, dividends, content that pays you over and over, stuff that makes money while you're on vacation, sleeping, or watching Netflix. That's what we're building today. Let's start with the most beginner-friendly one. Section 3. Dividend stocks. Imagine this. You buy a small piece of a company like McDonald's or Pepsi, and every few months, they pay you a cut of their profits, just for owning a piece. That's a dividend. And some companies have paid, and increased, those dividends every year for decades. They're called dividend kings and aristocrats, and they're basically the royalty of reliable income. Let's say you want to make $100 a week. That's $5,200 a year. If Starbucks pays a 2.4% dividend, you'd need to invest roughly $216,000. Yeah, not exactly lunch money. That's why this method is fast to set up, but slow to grow unless you already have capital. But if you're starting from zero, you'll want to invest time, not money. Let's talk about that. Section 4. Automating a side hustle. One of my friends, Jamie, was a killer dog trainer. He could tame anything, from tiny terriers to full-on werewolves. But he was broke. Why? Because he only got paid when he was training a dog. His time was his income. No time. No money. The fix. Turn your skill into a product. Jamie could have filmed a course, written a dog training guide, or built a blog with affiliate links. Once that's live, people can buy it 24/7, even while he's out living life. And tools like Hostinger let you build a site in hours with zero coding. Upload a product, link it to socials. Boom. Money machine. Create once. Sell forever. Section 5. Make content. Digital real estate. Let me hit you with a truth bomb. YouTube flipped the wealth game. It took the billions in advertising money from TV and handed it to everyday creators. All you need is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and you're eligible to get paid. Now, most people fail here. Not because the system's rigged, but because their content sucks. Family and friends won't tell you that, but I will. So here's the play. Pick a niche. Post consistently. Learn the algorithm. And understand that every video is a mini money printing machine. One viral clip could be worth thousands over time. And you don't need fancy gear. You just need attention. Section 6. Private investing. Imagine being on your own version of Shark Tank. Someone pitches you a small business, and you get in early. Invest $5,000, help them scale, and start collecting monthly profit shares. That's exactly what I've done. And I've seen $100 a week roll in from just one investment. If you've got money, skills, or connections, and you're smart about picking winners, this works. Even Ryan Reynolds does it. He buys into a brand, promotes it with his audience, sells for millions. You can do the same, just on a smaller scale. Section 7. Affiliate Marketing. Here's the easiest one to start right now. Remember when banks offered $10 for referrals? My friend's girlfriend sent her link out and made $300 in a day. That's affiliate marketing. You promote a product or service you like, and you get paid every time someone buys through your link. You can do this on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, whatever. Review gear, share tools, or just talk about stuff you already use. And the best part? No product, no customer service, just traffic. Section 8. Rent out your stuff. Don't have money or skills. Cool. Rent what you already own. Got a driveway? List it near a train station. Extra room? List it on Airbnb. Camera? Put it on Fat Llama. People will pay for things you're not even using, and most of the platforms even insure your stuff. I know someone who made $140 a week just renting their driveway. Imagine scaling that up with 2 more items. You already have the asset. You just haven't listed it yet. The biggest lie isn't that money doesn't grow on trees. It's that you're not allowed to plant one. You've been trained to trade time for money, beg for raises, and hope to retire before your knees give out. But the truth: you can build income that works while you don't. And the earlier you start, the faster your tree grows. So the only question left is, which branch will you start with?